Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about US30. So let's get started. US30 weekly chart, I made this one on July 27th, and this was a high. 35,627 was in question. That is going to stop the move to the upside, and it did. So it started to drop. It's supposed to drop. I made the chart here, the band, saying that this could stop the upside move, and it did. So what happened to this chart is this. So it stopped here, and one more candle try to go up, and then start to drop this rising teal, which I was showing here as well. Right. So this is the teal. So it dropped from the top back to the teal. Now what? Now that's what I think that this is what's going to happen if we can stay above. This is right now sitting on 34,577. If it stays above that, and there is a reason for that. So let me show you that. So if we stay above this, we can go back to this or even higher to this high or this high. But the smaller time frame, what it's showing is that it is making kind of like a bad pattern. You see this rise here? Then this is a harmonic pattern we call bad. So this the calculation for that is the first pullbacks for 50%, then it goes up in between, somewhere in between A and B, and then it dropped to 88%, just like this. This is a bad pattern. So this pullback B could be anywhere between 38 to 50, which is 50 in our case, and then point C. Ideally 23%, but it could be anywhere in between A and B. And then point D ends up here 88.6%, and then it goes to the upside again. So if you look at this one here, we have 50 touch here, right here, 50, and then it went up, and then it dropped to 88. Right now, it's trying to bounce from 88. That's why I think that, and then, the rising TL as well from the weekly chart, and then this inner TL. So if it is above that, then we might be able to go to the upside. Where? Now, first thing is that if it is going to go down, then with the earlier wave, this could be wave 1, then ABC2, this is wave 3, and then it goes to 38% for wave 4, and then we come down maybe here all the way to wave 5. That's one scenario. And the second one is that it might just go all the way to the upside here to this high to 61%, and then drop maybe, or go to the upside. So anyway, I see that it might be able to bounce from here and go maybe 38% or 61% or even higher. Maybe to this number, to that number, right? So first thing first, we need to go back to 38 and 61. Let's see what happens. Must stay above 34,577. It may go down a little bit and then go up, yeah. But as long as that the entry comes after that. What do you mean by entry? Is this. My entry chart is this. For example, if this is bearish and then it needs to be bullish, then I would be waiting for something like this. Excuse me. Or something like this, something like this. These are my bullish entry. It's from bearish, it turns bullish, and this is the bullish entry here, then bullish entry here, the bullish entry here. Something like that I need to go up if we are going to go up. Okay. So be ready. And whoever is trading the US30, I know, Bernard, you're doing it. So it will be very beneficial for you, this chart, right? You can go even all the way here to 34,948. It all depends on the funding, what kind of funding you're going to get, right? So this is it. And be ready to trade this. I may trade this also this week. I usually don't, but it's a very nice setup. So let me try as well. But I'm more into Forex pairs, right? And we already I made the video about which one. And then I have a couple of more coming up, the nice setups, and I'll make another video about those Forex pairs. And then I'll send out, okay? So this is it for now, and enjoy the rest of the weekend.